Hey, what up, Doc? NUGGS Bunny here. Welcome to Nam's Eatery. Alright, folks, let's take a journey down the rabbit hole of Vietnamese cuisine. In this episode, we're going to make Vietnamese pickled carrots, a crispy, sweet, and tart side dish that's refreshing when paired with light foods and versatile to cut through rich dishes. It's been made famous by banh mi, egg rolls, spring rolls, rice, vermicelli dishes, and my original banh xeo tacos, and my banh mi empanadas. Without further ado, let's namble. Alright guys, this recipe is super easy. First, we're going to trim and peel our carrots. About 1 pound total. You can do half carrots and half daikon like me. If you don't have a slicer, then you can cut julienne and matchsticks by hand like so. But I highly recommend using a sharp mandolin or a food processor with a grater attachment if you have one. FYI, the best looking shreds come from a Namdolin. Then we're going to scrub and squeeze our carrot mix with a couple tablespoons of salt and a splash of water for 30 seconds until the carrots get limpy. Afterwards, transfer to a colander and rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. Allow to dry for at least 30 minutes. You don't want to skip the salt scrub, as this step helps with the pickling process through osmosis. It also removes some of the water content and odor from the carrots. This primes them for our vinegar solution. Carrots are biennial plants with a 2-year flowering cycle. During the first year, the plant produces the edible root and a leafy top. If it is left in the ground for another year, it flowers and produces seeds. It's no surprise that carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals such as beta-carotene that your body converts to vitamin A, which promotes good vision and immune function, biotin, which helps with fats and protein metabolism, vitamin K1, which is important for blood coagulation and bone health, potassium, an essential mineral for blood pressure control, and vitamin B6, which helps with the conversion of food into energy. Once the carrots are done drying, combine 300 milliliters of white distilled vinegar with 5 tablespoons of sugar in a container and stir until dissolved. Add in the carrots mixture and press it down so that it's fully submerged. You can also add sliced garlic, jalapenos, cucumber, ginger, or even spices like whole peppercorns or star anise. Be sure to shake off the excess jalapeno seeds and trim off the cucumber seeds, as those are no bueno. And there you have it, Vietnamese pickled carrots. Comment to let me know what else you'd add to these pickles or what you'd put these on. These bad boys will be ready in 2 days and last up to a month refrigerated. This dank recipe is like a gateway drug into Vietnamese cuisine. And I've got some more recipes to share with you guys. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more. Oh yeah, that's a fatty. I hope that you gained some value and enjoyed watching this video as I enjoyed making it. For recipe downloads and to support this channel, visit namseatery.com, where we're shipping frozen, ready-to-heat food nationwide, like our gourmet specialty empanadas. These tasty treats are ready to fry or bake directly from frozen, like our Philly cheesesteak empanadas with caramelized onions, mushrooms, and provolone cheese. Shrimp, crab, and cheese empanadas, which are always a hit at the parties. Hamburger empanadas. It's like an In-N-Out burger served NaminalStyle. Durian mozzarella cheese empanadas for all the durian lovers out there. I know you're out there. And my banh mi empanadas. These are like a banh mi experience in an empanada. You can also support our channel at patreon.com/NamsEatery, where you can score some Namtastic merch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you Namblers in the next video. Namaste.